Hello everyone and welcome to another quick and easy recipe. We're gonna do chocolate brownies today, and for that you will need 250 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of butter, and we will melt this in the microwave. And after every set you have to take it out and mix it a little bit. Even if it seems that it will not mix, eventually it will all melt. You can also do this on a water bath, but I think microwave method it's faster and easier. Stir very well every time you get the ball out of the microwave, even if it looks like it's not gonna melt ever. And I stir for a few seconds every time. The ball, it gets a little bit hot, and that helps also that with the chocolate to be melting everything together. You can see now it's a little bit more liquid, but I still have some chunks of chocolate that they are not dissolved. Insist of stirring a little bit more before you put in the microwave. If you leave it in the microwave too much time, it will burn, so be careful with it. And then set aside. I'm using here this tray with some silicone mat because it's reusable, but you can use parchment paper. And I'm gonna mix now 5 small eggs, use 4 if they are big, and a pinch of salt and the sugar. You can use brown sugar, it's actually better, I like it better, but I didn't have it at hand. And this is optional, an orange zest. I usually keep in the fridge always some orange zest mixed with some sugar, so it can stay like this for a year or maybe more. And I use tiny bits in my baking. And then with the handheld mixer I beat everything very well until it gets foamy and almost doubled in size. Now I'm gonna add the slightly cooled chocolate mixture, and I'm gonna start folding. This is very important that you fold and you don't mix with the mixer, and you will see that it's gonna start getting a thicker consistency because of the chocolate that it's cooling down now. So just mix very well until the chocolate is mixed with the eggs, more or less. Don't have to insist too much. And then I will sift now the flour, 130 grams of flour of your choice, and I will fold this flour into the mixture again slightly until everything is completely incorporated. At this point you can also add chocolate bits or nuts or raisins if you want. I left it plain. So mix everything together. You will see that I didn't do such a good job, but maybe you will, so that all the flour is incorporated. Keep doing this upward downward movement to mix it. And now I'm gonna transfer it to my tray, and you will see here how much flour I still have not incorporated, so I had to do it in the tray. So don't panic if this happens to you. Also, you just mix it a little bit more. I think my flour was quite dry, and that's the reason it didn't incorporate that easy, but in the end it turned out okay. You just have to insist a little bit. And then spread everything in the tray. You can use another shape, maybe a smaller one if you want it to be thicker, and then put it in the oven, which is preheated at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. And then I let it cool a little bit in the tray, and then on a cooling rack And here I'm cutting it. It's slightly warm still, but you can still serve it like this. And it's very crunchy on the upper side and then very soft, and it melts in your mouth. It's not a chewy brownie, but it's very, very soft. And this is it, the slice and the bite. Thank you for watching and see you next time.